For most people, skipping one meal feels uncomfortable. But what if the clock keeps ticking? 1 day, 2 days, and even 3 full days without food. Your body doesn't just starve, it transforms in ways that might surprise you. Some changes can make you stronger, others can put you at risk. Let's step inside the human body and follow what actually happens during a 72-hour fast. From the very first hunger pangs to the hidden survival systems that switch on when food disappears. Within the first 12 to 24 hours, your body burns through stored glucose and glycogen, the quick-access fuel in your liver and muscles. That's why you feel drained, distracted, maybe even irritable. It's like your brain is demanding more energy, but the usual supply is running out. To keep you alive, your body activates a backup plan, gluconeogenesis. This is when it breaks down tiny amounts of protein and fat to create fresh glucose. The transition has begun. By the second day, a dramatic shift occurs. With glycogen nearly gone, your body enters ketosis. Fat stores begin breaking down into molecules called ketones. And here's the surprising part. Your brain, normally addicted to sugar, learns to run on ketones instead. This metabolic shift doesn't just fuel survival, it may spark mental clarity and focus for some people. At the same time, another hidden process awakens: autophagy, your body's way of recycling old, damaged cells and regenerating new ones. By the third day, about 30% of your brain's energy is now ketone-powered. You might notice less hunger than before, but beneath the surface, the cost is rising. Your body begins breaking down muscle tissue to squeeze out glucose. Blood pressure may dip, dizziness becomes possible, and uric acid levels climb, which can stress the kidneys. This is the razor's edge. The same fast that cleans and resets the body can also tip toward weakness and danger if pushed too far. Science shows that short-term fasting can reduce inflammation, improve insulin sensitivity, and even support cellular repair. But without proper hydration, guidance, and careful refeeding, it can also trigger complications, from nutrient loss to dangerous shifts in electrolytes. So, what truly happens when you don't eat for 3 days? Your body doesn't simply shut down. It fights, it adapts, and it rewires itself in remarkable ways. But fasting is a double-edged sword, powerful when used wisely, risky when taken to extremes. Before attempting anything more than a short fast, always seek medical guidance. Because in the end, survival is not just about going without food, it's about knowing when and how to start eating again.